we're preparing for our party. Gravy. Wow. Motor. For what this one? Is also for party? Control. I will cut that much.
Make sure you're eating, huh?
Good. What you doing?
Frying papadum.
Papadana? For what this one? Is also for party?
This one called, you know, this one, komodo.
Kumudu.
This one komodo. This one, rimadu.
Matik ni.
What? Really? This one komodo.
Komodo.
This one, before fry, rimadu.
This one bandoy.
This one,
This one
this one, lakmal.
lakmal.
All the way from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
That's why black ha.
Processing. Okay. All the way from Australia.
Why are you preparing too much
Because we have party today,
party?
annual party.
Annual party for what? Why making party?
Our KM favorite meal that is.
This
Ah.
one, too much people hungry, so I'm giving party. Okay? You wanna eat? You have to join the party. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure you're eating, huh?
Okay. You also ha? Don't go home ha?
Early, huh?
I know you will go home later.
I will not go.
See? You're all too much talking. Your body is burning.
Yeah. Maybe you terminate tomorrow. It's not called bond, okay?
If you're
It's called
talking-
golden brown.
Golden brown. This Jano, golden brown.
Yeah. Supposed to be same this color, but after cook it will become golden brown.
Don't make like your color ha? So where you going, bro?
Bro, this is papoda. It's a happy poplar.
Okay. Who's this guy? Why are you eating? Chef Sumit. Chef Sumit.
Hi.
The best guy.
Like and subscribe.
Great. How are you? Fine. Good. What are you making?
For the pani puri, sir.
For panipuri. For party? This one for party later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
This one for party?
This is for party for chicken biryani. Okay.
Chicken biryani?
Indian chicken biryani actually.
Ah, this one for chicken biryani?
Yeah.
Yes, wait.
अरे भाई क्या बन रहा है भाई?
This is called Indian chicken biryani.
ओके
So this is dum biryani
ओके
for the party.
ओके
Hope you enjoy. Hi. We are making sauce
या
for mixed vegetable pakoda.
ओके
It's a very famous starter of India.
हाँ
Especially is raining time. They love to eat with the mixed vegetable pakoda and chai. Right, thank you so much. So we are making 140 people biryani.
140 people.
Yeah.
For the party today?
For the anniversary, 6th anniversary for Molakata.
Okay.
So annual party. That's a chicken biryani. Annual party.
So that is the way how to make biryani. Should be the chicken put in the middle of the rice.
The biryani should be the layer
Huh?
of the chicken and rice. Also, and top also have garnish. Yeah. And the top of the rice, the one of the reason, so the chicken will cook more.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And the top gravy only for flavor.
So this one is not totally cooked.
No, it's not cooked. It's 85% is cooked and 25% only for food dum. The saffron for the flavor. So with the hot water, you can see the color.
So So that is saffron.
Saffron, yeah. Saffron is kind of leaf for the flower.
There's a red color.
What is that?
Red color.
Red color.
Wow.
Oh, very nice.
ये सही लगा.
I like that one.
Here, what is that?
There's a
Coriander and mint.
lemon.
Mint.
Get some lemon. Choco lemon. And our bread is almost done. I'll just give you only that is ghee.
Very nice. Good for how many person?
It's 145.
145 staff, huh?
So we are making everyone because we have different facilities.
Mm.
It's like a Filipino, Indian, Sri Lankan, Nepali, so they can eat everyone. So
Yes.
it's not too spicy.
Yes.
Less spicy. So everyone can enjoy that.
That's good also because we are Filipino. We are eating also biryani. If that one too much hot, it's difficult for us.
Yeah, that's right. So according to that, we are not making too
Biryani
much.
masala.
Yeah.
Okay. Garnish on top of the rice.
Okay. Lemon also. So even we are cooking, it's like we are putting garnish already, right?
Yeah, it's there's one of the reason for why we keeping the lemon.
Okay.
We gotta give the citrus flavor of the chicken.
Ah, okay.
We need to cover it. I have on top. I have.
We need to cover again for how many minutes?
All right. Brown onion.
What is that, chef?
We have fried onion.
Caramelized onion. Caramelized onion. Very nice.
And we are ready for dum.
We are ready for party. So we need to cover it.
Yes, sir. Take that pan. That will clear
So for how many minutes we cover that? How many minutes we cover this?
This was like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay?
10 to
In the low flame.
So here, what is that we doing, guys?
Nepali pulao. Nepali
Nepali puri?
Nepali pulao.
Polo.
Pulao, yeah. Like same like biryani, but it's we don't put any chicken. We will eat this one with mutton gravy. Gravy. Mutton gravy, Nepali style.
Gravy. So,
Typical Nepali food.
Nepali food. You're the one cooking that?
So let's see how it works out.
I will taste that later. If good, but I'm sure that is definitely good, 100%. Mutton is good.
A little bit spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah. I think you guys can handle.
Chef, what is that?
Ingredients. Okay, what we making Indian dessert and we'll add saffron.
Saffron.
Yeah.
Saffron for give color for that.
Saffron will give the good flavor
Okay.
and also the color.
Okay.
Thank you.
So everyone can eat?
Yeah.
Even Filipino?
Yeah, of course.
Ah, I thought this is for Indian only.
No, what is that?
The sweet.
What's sweet?
It's kind of the rice pudding.
Rice pudding.
Yeah. It's very famous Indian dessert.
This is for party?
Yeah, supposed to be you need to cook
Like white champurrado?
slow flame and 1 hour, 2 hours.
Really?
It can be more flavoring.
It's a long time to cook that
Yeah,
food.
long time. But make sure you need to sedate it always.
Hmm.
Do not get burned.
So this is, can you open little? May I want to see inside. Wow. Ano? Sige, bigay ko na lang sa kanila. I need to test. Eh, moton? Moton?
इसका कलर नहीं आ रहा है
Very nice. So you need to cover more. For how many hours you need to cook that?
like
45 minutes. This is for party also. So let's see if this one ready. We will test later, okay? It's like basket, huh? Good, brother. What are you cooking?
noodles, yeah.
Noodles?
Not much special, it's simple noodles.
Simple noodles. But it's look like special, huh?
Thank you. Yeah. Because today is special day, right?
Yeah, special day. So we need to cook special food. Chicken pancit? What is that, chef?
It's a mixed vegetable raita
Ah,
for biryani.
after biryani also?
Yeah, it's like a dip on the side. So
dip.
if you go to India or any country, so there's a compliment for biryani, raita and papad. Make sure you should be served with this.
Ah, this one, if you serve biryani, should be half side like that. It's a good combination. Good. Nice taste.